Hello and welcome back to Mr. English Lovers.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy to see you today.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex. Thank you for joining us again.
If you're new here, please subscribe and like this video. It really helps us.
Today, we're going to talk about something that can change your life.
That's right. We're going to talk about good habits and how to build them.
This is such an important topic. Good habits shape our future.
They really do. So, Alex, what is a good habit?
A good habit is a positive action you do regularly that benefits your life.
It's something that helps you become healthier, happier, or more successful.
Exactly. And once it becomes a habit, you do it automatically.
You don't have to force yourself anymore.
Right. It becomes part of your routine.
So, Alex, what good habits do you have?
One of my best habits is exercising every morning.
Every morning? That's impressive.
I wake up at 6:30 and exercise for 30 minutes.
What kind of exercise?
Usually running or yoga, sometimes just stretching.
How long have you been doing this?
About 2 years now.
2 years? That's amazing. How did you start?
At first, it was very difficult. I hated waking up early.
What motivated you to continue?
I felt so much better during the day. More energy, better mood.
So the benefits kept you going.
Exactly. After about 3 weeks, it became easier.
They say it takes 21 days to form a habit.
That's true. The first 3 weeks are the hardest.
What other good habits do you have?
I drink water first thing in the morning.
Before coffee?
Yes, before anything else. Just one big glass of water.
Why do you do that?
Because your body is dehydrated after sleeping for 8 hours.
That makes sense.
Water wakes up your body and helps digestion.
That's a simple but powerful habit.
It is, and it only takes 1 minute.
What about you, Emma? What good habits do you have?
I read every night before bed.
How long do you read?
At least 20 minutes, sometimes an hour.
What do you read?
Books, usually novels or biographies.
Not on your phone?
No, I read physical books, paper books.
Why not digital books?
Because screens keep me awake. The blue light is bad for sleep.
That's smart. Reading helps you relax?
Very much. It clears my mind from the day's stress.
Do you sleep better because of it?
Much better. I fall asleep faster and sleep deeper.
That's wonderful. What other good habits do you have?
I make my bed every morning.
Really? Every single morning?
Yes, it's the first thing I do.
Why is that important?
It gives me a sense of accomplishment. I've already completed one task.
Starting the day with a small win.
Exactly. And it makes my room look neat and organized.
I should start doing that.
You should. It only takes 2 minutes.
Let's talk about health habits. What are some good health habits?
Eating breakfast every day is important.
Why is breakfast so important?
It gives you energy for the day. Your body needs fuel in the morning.
What's a healthy breakfast?
Oatmeal with fruit. Eggs with vegetables. Whole wheat toast.
Not sugary cereal?
No. Sugar gives you energy quickly, but then you crash.
What other health habits are important?
Getting enough sleep, at least 7 to 8 hours.
Do you get enough sleep?
I try. I go to bed at 10:30 p.m.
And wake up at 6:30?
Yes, that's 8 hours.
Consistency is important for sleep.
Very important. Your body likes a schedule.
What about eating habits?
Eating slowly is a good habit
Why eat slowly?
because it helps digestion, and you eat less because you feel full faster.
Many people eat too fast.
Yes, we eat while watching TV or looking at our phones.
Mindless eating.
Exactly. It's better to focus on your food.
Enjoy each bite.
Yes, taste the food, chew properly.
Let's talk about mental health habits. What are good habits for your mind?
Meditation is excellent for mental health.
Do you meditate?
I try to 5 minutes every morning.
Just 5 minutes?
Yes, you don't need to meditate for hours.
How do you meditate?
I sit quietly, close my eyes, and focus on my breathing.
Just breathing?
Yes, when my mind wanders, I bring it back to my breath.
Does it help?
It makes me calmer and more focused during the day.
What other mental health habits are there?
Gratitude practice.
What's that?
Every night, think of 3 things you're grateful for.
That sounds nice.
It changes your mindset from negative to positive.
You focus on the good things in life.
Exactly. Even on bad days, there's always something to be grateful for.
Do you do this?
Yes, sometimes I write them down in a journal.
A gratitude journal.
Yes, it's very powerful.
Let's talk about productivity habits. How can good habits make you more productive?
Making a to-do list every morning helps.
Every morning?
Yes, I write down the 3 most important tasks for the day.
Only 3?
Yes, if you write too many, you feel overwhelmed.
That's true.
Focus on 3 important things, complete those first.
What if you finish early?
Then you can add more, but at least you finish the important ones.
That's smart.
Another productivity habit is taking breaks.
Breaks make you more productive?
Yes, your brain needs rest.
How often should you take breaks?
Every hour, just 5 or 10 minutes.
What do you do during breaks?
Stand up, stretch, walk around, look out the window.
Not look at your phone?
No, that's not a real break. Your eyes need rest from screens.
Good point. Let's talk about social habits. Good habits with other people.
Like what? Calling your family regularly.
How often do you call your family?
At least once a week.
That's a nice habit.
It keeps relationships strong, and it makes them happy.
What other social habits are important?
Listening more than you talk.
That's difficult for some people.
It is, but it makes you a better friend.
People appreciate being heard.
Exactly. Ask questions. Show interest.
Being present in conversations.
Yes. Put your phone away when talking to someone.
That's respectful.
It shows they're important to you.
Let's talk about financial habits. Good habits with money.
Saving money every month is important.
How much should you save?
At least 10% of your income.
Every month?
Yes. Pay yourself first.
What does that mean?
When you get paid, save money first before spending.
Don't wait to see what's left at the end of the month.
Exactly, because there's usually nothing left.
That's true.
What other financial habits are good?
Tracking your expenses.
Writing down everything you spend?
Yes, it makes you aware of where your money goes.
Many people are surprised when they see the numbers.
I spent how much on coffee?
Exactly. Small purchases add up.
Awareness is the first step to change. Let's talk about how to build new good habits. What's your advice?
Start very small.
How small?
So small that it's almost too easy.
Give me an example.
If you want to exercise, start with just 5 minutes.
Not 30 minutes?
No. 5 minutes is so easy you can't say no.
And then gradually increase?
Yes. After a week, make it 10 minutes, then 15.
Small steps lead to big changes.
Exactly.
What's your advice for building habits?
Link the new habit to an existing habit.
Can you explain?
If you already brush your teeth every morning, do your new habit right after.
So, if you want to do push-ups, do them after brushing teeth?
Exactly. The old habit triggers the new habit.
That's clever.
It's called habit stacking.
What else helps build habits?
Make it visible. Put reminders where you can see them.
Like what?
If you want to drink more water, put a water bottle on your desk.
Visual reminder.
Yes, out of sight, out of mind.
What about accountability? Does that help?
Very much. Tell someone about your new habit
Why does that help?
because you don't want to let them down.
Social pressure in a good way.
Exactly. Or find a habit partner.
Someone doing the same habit?
Yes, you can support each other.
That's motivating.
Let's talk about obstacles. What stops people from building good habits?
Lack of time is a common excuse.
Is it a real problem?
Usually not. Most good habits take less than 30 minutes.
People say they don't have time, but they watch TV for 2 hours.
It's about priorities.
Exactly. We make time for what's important.
What other obstacles are there?
Perfectionism.
How does that stop habits?
People think, I missed one day, so I failed. I'll just quit.
All or nothing thinking.
Yes, but missing one day doesn't matter.
Just start again the next day.
Exactly. Don't break the chain twice in a row.
One mistake is okay. 2 is a problem.
Right.
What about motivation? What if you lose motivation?
Motivation comes and goes. That's normal.
So, how do you continue?
You rely on discipline, not motivation.
What's the difference?
Motivation is a feeling. Discipline is a decision.
You do it even when you don't feel like it?
Exactly, because it's important.
Let's give our viewers some examples of good habits they can start today.
Great idea.
Drink a glass of water when you wake up.
Make your bed every morning.
Take a 10-minute walk after lunch.
Read for 15 minutes before bed.
Write down 3 things you're grateful for each night.
Put your phone away 1 hour before sleep.
Eat at least 1 fruit or vegetable with every meal.
Call a family member or friend once a week.
These are all simple and achievable.
Anyone can start these today.
What's the most important thing to remember about building habits?
Consistency is more important than intensity.
What does that mean?
It's better to exercise 5 minutes every day than 1 hour once a week.
Regular, small actions are more powerful than occasional big actions.
Exactly. Habits are built through repetition.
Every day matters.
Yes, small daily improvements lead to big results over time.
Alex, we used many important words about habits today. Let's review them.
Great idea. These words will help our viewers talk about habits.
Let's start with routine.
A routine is a regular way of doing things in a particular order.
Exercise is part of my morning routine.
Perfect. Next, consistency.
Consistency means doing something regularly without stopping or changing.
Consistency is the key to building good habits.
Exactly. What about dehydrated?
Dehydrated means your body doesn't have enough water.
I feel dehydrated when I wake up.
Good example. Let's explain accomplishment.
An accomplishment is something you have successfully completed or achieved.
Making my bed gives me a sense of accomplishment.
Perfect. How about mindless?
Mindless means doing something without thinking or paying attention.
Mindless eating leads to overeating.
That's right. Let's do gratitude.
Gratitude is the feeling of being thankful and appreciative.
I practice gratitude by writing in a journal.
Good sentence. What about overwhelmed?
Overwhelmed means feeling like you have too much to deal with.
I feel overwhelmed when my to-do list is too long.
Exactly. Let's explain productivity.
Productivity is how much work you can do in a certain amount of time.
Good habits increase your productivity.
Perfect. How about accountability?
Accountability means being responsible and answerable for your actions.
Having an accountability partner helps you stick to habits.
Good example. Let's do obstacle.
An obstacle is something that blocks your way or makes it difficult to achieve something.
Lack of time is a common obstacle to building habits.
That's right. What about discipline?
Discipline is the ability to control yourself and do what you should do even when it's difficult.
Building habits requires discipline, not just motivation.
Perfect. And finally, repetition.
Repetition is doing something again and again.
Habits are formed through repetition.
Excellent. Let's review. Routine, consistency, dehydrated, accomplishment, mindless, gratitude, overwhelmed, productivity, accountability, obstacle, discipline, and repetition.
12 useful words about good habits.
Well, Alex, we covered so much about good habits today.
We really did, from examples to how to build them.
Let's summarize what we discussed.
We talked about what good habits are and why they're important.
We shared our personal good habits like exercising, reading, and drinking water.
We discussed health habits, mental health habits, and productivity habits.
We talked about social habits and financial habits.
We gave advice on how to build new habits. Start small, link to existing habits, make it visible.
We discussed obstacles like lack of time and perfectionism.
And we emphasized that consistency is more important than intensity.
Now it's time for our question of the day.
Yes, we want to hear from you.
Today's question is, what good habit do you want to start, and how will you begin?
Please share in the comments. Tell us one habit you want to build. Maybe it's drinking more water, or reading before bed, or exercising in the morning.
Whatever it is, write it down. Making a public commitment helps.
And maybe you can inspire other viewers with your goal.
We'll be cheering for you.
Before we finish, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. It helps us create more helpful content for you.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
Remember, small habits lead to big changes.
Start small, be consistent, and be patient with yourself.
You don't have to be perfect. You just have to start.
Good habits will change your life, one day at a time.
We believe in you. You can do this.
We'll see you in the next video.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye. Start your good habit today.